Yarn Sensation. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Yarn Sensation. I'm so happy that you are here with me today, and happy Halloween. I made this little pumpkin candy, but I did not get a chance to do a tutorial on it before Halloween. I just wanted to share it with you guys today really quick. It's actually a pumpkin candy reveal. So what I'm going to do is show you guys it as I reveal it, and then hopefully for the next holiday I will be able to do a different decoration and maybe do a tutorial to show you how I made it. So once again, be safe tonight if you're out trick-or-treating, and let me get to the reveal.